Hello students, welcome to the physics class with Sujit sir. In the previous class, we have discussed about Coulomb's law, both in scalar form and in vector form. Okay, today we are going to discuss about some problems based on Coulomb's law. Here, the question is given. Calculate the force between two spheres A and B. Given two spheres A and B separated by a distance of 0.5 meter. Okay, 0.5 meter. That is, it is given that we have to consider two spheres A and B. Two spheres A and B. And what is the separation between these two spheres? 0.5 meter. What is the separation between these two spheres? 0.5 meter. Okay, then so we have to calculate force. We have to calculate force between the two spheres in air medium, in water medium, and third one is if each sphere is charged double and distance between them is half. Okay, and also it is given dielectric constant of water is 80. Dielectric constant means relative permittivity. So dielectric constant means relative permittivity. So first question, answer of the first question. It is given what are given in the question? Separation between two spheres. R is equal to 0.5 meter. R is equal to 0.5 meter. And again, in air medium, first one is asked for air medium. We have to find out force between two spheres in air medium. Then it is also given dielectric constant of water, not necessary in air medium, that is required for water medium. And charge on each sphere is 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulombs. So the charge on both these spheres are 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, and this one is also 7. 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. Okay, now Q1 is equal to, both are equal, both charges are equal, so Q1 is equal to Q2. The symbol of charge is Q, that's why Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. It is given like that. Okay, so now according to Coulomb's law, force F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Why? Because it is asked for air medium, so we can write epsilon naught. If it is in any other medium, then we have to write epsilon naught. Okay, in the place of epsilon naught, we have to write epsilon for other medium. Now F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Q1 Q2 divided by R square. So that implies F is equal to, what is the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught? 9 into 10 to the power 9. 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. Okay. So Q1, here what is the value of Q1? 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7. 10 to the power minus 7. And what is the value of Q2? 7. That's why 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 multiplied with 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7. Then it will be 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 whole square divided by R square. R is 0.5 meter. The separation between these two spheres is 0.5 meter. So 0.5 whole square, R square. 0.5 whole square. Then that is equal to, here 0.5 square means 0.25. Okay, 9 into 10 to the power 9 into, what is the square of 6.5? We have to multiply it. So 6.5 into 6.5. Okay. 5 5 25 5 630, 32, 30, 39. Okay. 5, 2, 12, 4 to 2, 42.25. It will be 42.25. 42.25. Okay. 4 into, what is the square of 10 to the power minus 7? It will be 10 to the power minus 14. It will be 10 to the power minus 14 whole divided by, what is the square of 0.5? It will be 0.25. 0.25. 5 dividing 9 with 0.25, we will get 25. 3. Now, so that is equal to 25. This will be 3. And now 75, 15, 6. Okay, it will be 36. It will be 36. When we will divide 9 with 0.25, it will be 36. 36. Now we have to multiply 36 with 42.25. Now multiply 36 with 42.25. 42.25. What will be the result? 633, 15, 13, 25, and this one will be 15, 7, 6, 12. So when we add these two, we will get 0. So it will be 0, 5, 5, 10, 0, 7, 3, 10 plus 1, 11, 1, 6, 5, 11 plus 1, 12, 1, 2, 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So the result becomes 15 to 100. Then it is 42.25. That's why it will be 1521. So the answer will be 1521 into 10 to the power 9 minus 14. 10 to the power 9 minus 14 is equal to 10 to the power minus 5. 10 to the power minus 5. Or we can write here, when it will be 1.5, then 1, 2, 3 decimal numbers, then it will be 1.5 into 10 to the power plus 3. Here 3 decimal we have taken up to 3 decimal numbers. That is, so we have to add plus 3. Then it will be minus 2 and the Newton, minus 2 Newton. So what is the answer? 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton. Okay. Next. Now, on the second question, we have to find out force in water medium, and the dielectric constant of water is 80. That is, relative permittivity is 80. Dielectric constant means relative permittivity is 80. So, here we have to find out force in water medium. So, in any other medium, the force F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square. Q1 Q2 by R square. That is equal to, we know that epsilon is equal to epsilon naught epsilon R. Epsilon naught epsilon R. Q1 Q2 by R square. Q1 Q2 by R square. That is equal to, here we have to take epsilon R out of this 1 by out of this. Okay, because in the previous first question in air medium we have already find out 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R square as 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton. 10 to the power minus 2 Newton. We know the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square as 1.5 into 10 to the minus 2 Newton. So 1 by epsilon R, we can write this value as 1 by epsilon r 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square, q1 q2 by r square. So that is equal to 1. When we multiply it, it will become like this. Okay. So here 1 by what is the value of epsilon r? It is 80. So 1 by 80 into 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton. So that is equal to, when we will divide 80 with 1.5, it will be 80, or we can write here 8. Okay, then it will be 10 to the power minus 3. It will be 10 to the power minus 3. 8 into 10, 10. Okay, then 8, 1, 7 remaining point, 8, 8, 61 remaining, 8, 7, 4 remaining, 8, 5. 1.875 into 10 to the power 1.8, not like that, 0.185, no? 0.1875 into 10 to the power minus 3, 0.1875 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. This is the answer of second question. Okay. Now, in the third question, if each sphere is charged double and distance between them is half, then calculate the force. Calculate the force. It means now the charge of each sphere now becomes double. So we can write q1 dash is equal to 2q1. Double means now the new charge is q1 dash is equal to 2 times of the previous charge, that is equal to 2q1, and that is equal to q2. Okay. Similarly, or we can write q2 dash is equal to 2q2. q2 dash is equal to 2q2, and distance between them is half, and new distance in this question, the new distance becomes half of the previous distance, that is r by 2. Okay, we can write like this. Previous distance is r, previous charges are q1 q2, new charge are q1 dash q2 dash r dash. Now we have to find out what force. Then F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon, 1 by 4 pi epsilon. Now we have charges q1 dash and q2 dash. So q1 dash into q2 dash divided by r dash square, so that is equal to, we can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 in air medium. We are finding force in air medium for this question. Okay, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 epsilon naught q1 dash means 2q1 2q2 divided by r dash means r by 2 square, means r square by 4, that is equal to, then when it will come to numerator, it will be multiplied with 2 into 2, 4 into 4, 16, that is equal to 16 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square, that is equal to 16 into, we know the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square as 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton in my first question. So we can write here 16 into 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton. So when we multiply with 16 with 1.5, we will get 16, 5, 80, 8, 16, 8, 24. It will be 24.0. So that will be 24 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton. The answer will be 24 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton. In this way, we can determine force by applying Coulomb's law. Okay, F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught or epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square. Okay.